Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. On my channel. So today I'm doing the patio. I'm decorating it for Christmas, but I wasn't gonna show you guys this part. I'm actually making a makeshift like patio covering, because as you can see, my patio is out there, okay? And I was gonna record this part, but I figured might as well show you guys how I do it, because there might be people out there who don't have coverings over their patio as well, and nobody wants to be rained on. Nobody wants to sit there and get all this stuff ruined after they decorate it. So yeah, we about to do it. We about to do it big. And yeah, just follow along with me. I got the tarp from Home Depot. No, Lowe's. And I'll probably just put everything else in the description. But yeah, let's get started. Okay, just a disclaimer, like honestly, nothing went as planned. Nothing was happening the way it should have been. That's why I just had to like play it off, cause like oh my gosh, but it all came together, just not in the way I wanted it. Like I was missing some stuff, I didn't have enough of some stuff, and like the tarp just was not working the way that I intended it to. But at the end, it came through. It was a big rainstorm, which was so ironic while we were putting it up. So it was just like, what in the heck? But yeah, everything came through. Basically with the tarp and stuff, I just honestly didn't care. I used nails and thumbnails, but like the nails mainly put it up, and that worked. I just had to like figure out where to put it strategically. I had to figure out where to put it strategically so that no rain or water would seep in. But it would have been way easier if like I lived on like the first floor and I could actually stand on the ground and like pull the tarp taut. So like, I'm just saying words, don't mind me. Bro, anyways, if I was on the first floor instead of the third and I could actually pull it from the outside and make it really, really like, you know, sturdy and like boom, like tight, it would have been good. But yeah, so I used the tarp was from Lowe's. It was like $38, so it like rang up to $40. It was more expensive than it should have been, but yeah. So I did that part. As you see, it's kind of like blowing and stuff. So hey Simba. Oh, did y'all hear him? Hey Nana. Okay, little cat break. But so as you can see, it's kind of like flimsy right now, so that's why right now you see it tucked in the other way. It made more sense when we put it this way because it just worked. But yeah, so that's the snow blanket. What I envisioned, let me tell y'all what I envisioned. So what I envisioned was I was gonna make the actual patio floor, well, balcony floor, straight snow, right? It was gonna be like a winter wonderland, and then I was just gonna decorate around it. Like I was gonna put the garland on the little, what's this crap called, on the banister looking thing, and it was just gonna be so pretty. But like, because I don't have a fenced in patio covering already, the tarp kind of made that hard. And then on top of that, I did not have enough snow blankets. Like, make sure y'all buy more than what y'all should. That's what I usually do, but when it comes to stuff that's not really hair, I don't know how to do that, you know? But yeah, so y'all see me stressing. Like, I changed like 3 times. At first I was cold, then I became hot, and like in a few seconds y'all gonna see that I put more clothes on. So yeah, I was going through it. This is why this video is so freaking late. Like, I was going through it, and I'm so sorry for the lateness. Like, I'm not gonna miss any other days for Vlogmas, I promise. But yeah, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch. It was a lot of trial and error. It was a lot of like putting stuff, picking stuff up, doing this. Like, yeah, I was stressed, and I didn't eat all day. Like, I started at what time did I start? I started this at probably like 9, 10. Didn't finish until 5. Didn't eat, didn't anything. It was just so stressful, y'all. But I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please, just put them down below and I will get to them. But yeah, oh my gosh, not the voice getting cracky. That's what happens when you outside changing clothes. Like, you just got it like that. But yeah, okay. Thank you guys. Keep watching. And yeah, let me know if y'all want to see anything else. Like, I'm down for whatever. So yeah, TTYL.
you.